Ready, start. India got its freedom through a long struggle. With this freedom, India achieved universal suffrage, which means that every citizen above the age of 18 is allowed to vote. The vision of our freedom fighters thus got embarked in the right to vote. Voting is the agent of change and is a constitutional right of citizens over 18 years of age in India. It offers every citizen a medium of expression, and the process of voting allows every citizen to have a say in what should constitute the matters of importance by voting for the candidate he or she deems fit for the purpose. Though the outcome of elections is hardly ever predictable, yet if citizens don't cast their vote, then they are giving up on the chance of getting heard. In a populous democracy like India, a voter might think that a vote does not matter, but when this thought prevails over the nation, then citizens might miss out from helping the best candidate win the election. Both as a right and responsibility, voting lays the foundation of the Indian democracy. Citizens need to be careful about their power of casting a vote in order to strengthen the existence of the democratic republic. Voting is a sort of honor granted to the citizens by the founding fathers of the Constitution of India. Citizens demonstrate their respect for the history of the country through exercising their right to vote. By not casting their vote, the citizens in a way improve the chances of the unsuitable ones winning the polls. And as a whole, the voter has to suffer through poor governance at the end. Being the most essential elements of the electoral system, the right to vote is universal and equal and gives to the citizens the freedom to choose among various candidates or political parties in elections. As every vote counts, so the responsibility lies on every individual to vote responsibly. The voters in India have also been offered the provision to exercise their vote even if they are not happy with any of the candidates. Known as Nota, none of the above is an important vote to cast for those who are not satisfied by any of the standing parties. As the signpost of democracy, elections at regular intervals make the most significant features of a democratic polity. These act as a medium of reflection of the attitudes, values, and beliefs of the people towards their political environment. Acting as the central democratic procedure for selecting and controlling leaders, elections also symbolize the sovereignty of people and provide legitimacy to the authority of the government. Stop over.